Hi, I guess this is going to be part 2. I'm going to see where I got this camera at. There. I finished doing the lace on the top, and I've pulled some blue flowers from my stash to kind of decorate the top. Usually I put one big flower on there, but I don't have a... I don't know whether I should have painted this first or not, but just laying them around like this doesn't work for me. I think I need something to go underneath it to give it a little dimension. Sorry, I'm just opening up some more flowers. This is probably the worst tutorial I've ever watched. I do have some of this that I got, and I don't know. I put this around on the inside. Maybe I'll do that. I always like starting at the back of your bottle. Actually, I should move this. Oops. Maybe a little bit like that. There. I hope that's better. And I'm putting this right on the top, but on the top, kind of on the inside. No, you know what? I didn't do that right. There. Well, I wanted it to go outways, not inways. I haven't been crafting for a couple days, you can tell. I am doing a giveaway, and I have some scrapbook kits, and they come with the binder and all the paper to make a scrapbooking journal. And I thought that would be nice. They come in a nice little plastic container, which I'll be showing you probably in the next video. And I will be doing that for my giveaway. I have 3 of them, and I'm just going over this glue because nobody's going to see it anyways. So that will be part of my giveaway, and I am going to be doing a video for the actual giveaway. And I want to know what you do with your projects after you make them. And this will be kind of a cool thing to do. I'm just going to tack that down. Okay, that's kind of cool. I kind of like that. I like this ribbon anyways. Now, I don't know what to do here. This is not, I need a little bit of dimension, so maybe I'll cut these off. I have lots of projects. Now, I'm going to be showing you what I did with my projects, or at least some of them. I have on display, but since I did these new boxes, I decided that I would do my canvases and hang them on the front of the box. Now eventually I'll probably I'm going to have to move this. I'm sorry, I need to look down at it. Have to paint them. I've been thinking about that a lot lately too. I have a lot of wood things, and I never painted them. I just left them wood because at the time I really liked them wood. Now I've kind of changed my mind about it and thought that I probably would like to decorate them instead of leaving them plain wood. Too bad when you get older you can't make up your mind what you want to do. Now I really like these, and oops, didn't want to do that, but I might do something else with those ones. Maybe I can add this one in here. Kind of like the dimensional things on the top, but I should be able to fix this. I was looking at YouTube at all the new stuff they have out in the CHA, and of course, you know, I'm trying to use up all the stuff in my craft room, and I'm thinking, oh boy, I really like this, I really like that, but I'm not buying anything. The only thing I thought that I would purchase, if I had to purchase something, was the Tim Holtz new crayons that he's got out. I thought that might be kind of nice to try. Of course, I'm addicted to Tim Holtz stuff anyways. And I don't know if I'm going to like this top. I might pull it apart before I actually finish, but we'll try. It should stick one of those blue birds on the top of this. That might look kind of cool. I was watching a lot of Fiona from Jennings 644. Was been watching a lot of her old videos. I love her stuff. She's think beyond the box, and that girl's got it, that's for sure. I don't have much to talk about today. Usually I'm blabbing away about this or that or the other thing, but nothing new or exciting or even funny is happening right now. Well, I have to look at this top to see what I need to do to it. Okay. Well, Actually, it's not too bad, but I need to add something to it. I think I might add a butterfly. And then I thought maybe I could have, just for a little added decoration, I need to cut that. I'm always cutting things too long, too short, too whatever. Just to put a little something on the back of it. Not that you need to, because you certainly don't. But they talk about overdoing things, and I gotta be one of those people who do that. I can't stop. I gotta just keep going. When it's perfect the way it is. Oh no, I gotta add something to it. And actually, they're kind of cute, so I don't mind too much. And what I'm doing is just putting some glue on the back of these and attaching them to the glass. They do look kind of cool there. I might add another one, which I don't have right in front of me there. But that's the back. And you know, these glue sticks, God. Now the only thing I have to do is add my light, and I should be good. So that is my Crazy Birds in a bottle. I think they turned out pretty cool. And I am going to add a little metal butterfly there, and that'll kind of make up for it. And I might put a little bead around here. I'm not too sure yet. That's basically how you do it. Easy, easy peasy, as long as you get the wood right. And like I said, that's just no, I didn't have to put any moss or anything in it. I just had that candle thing. And usually you can buy them for real cheap. If you wait until after Christmas, they're really, really cheap. I think you can even get them at the dollar store. Get some little flower rings and just add them. They come bigger, but make sure you get the small ones. I'm gonna have to clean off the inside of this, although that's the glass, I think. So, yeah. Anyways, there you go. And I will be back with my challenge tutorial. Okay, thank you.